Look at that. That's your boy. His drawing, you know what I'm saying? Hooks it up. You know what I'm saying? Drew Kanye West. That's my drawing right there. You know what I'm saying? Had to hit the graffiti. You know what I'm saying? Alex Fane. Yeah, it's your boy. Came back. Had to change up the flow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's my handwriting right there. I'm amazing, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Wow. Killing it. Kanye West. Got the Ferrari, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep your speed. Look at that detail. Got the mirror, you know what I'm saying? Look at the rims. Look at that. Ain't nobody on my level, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody stopping me, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good, though. You know what I'm saying? What else am I drawing? Here go another one I did yesterday. Right there. There we go. You know what I'm saying? I run out of times, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I come back with y'all. Just drawing part 1, you know what I'm saying? Hit your boy up, you know what I'm saying? YouTube.com/yourboy53210. I'm